It's me. Niggas saying that niggas fool, but this nigga, he's a dummy. I'm about to show you. Listen, shit, but don't really know your fucking name, but I know you say my name, then I'm blowing out your brain. Young Q, Kwame, and the damn thing changed. Inside I'm selling crack and I'm still getting changed. You still fucking broke. You laughing like a joke till I come up on you and I choke you with the rope. Listen, your bitch is on my top. Your bitch when I stop, and it's alright 'cause you get shot. You calling cops. I never ever snitched on no man, and I don't really give a fuck. I don't need no friends, it's me, just myself, just my gun. You come through, best believe you gon' meet it, son. I dropped out, but I'm still here, and it's alright 'cause I got shot and shed no tears. Listen, never full of fear, young boy. You get popped, you screaming, and it's alright 'cause on your house, dog, I'm scheming. I catch you slipping, I'm dumping. Matter of fact, Jay, get that dumping. Shotguns, all kinds of revolvers. Niggas talking shit, dog, till we get off them. There's no more talking, it's the coffin. Matter of fact, where she but no longer walking. Nigga think he tough now. Nigga think